Friends, Running Kimono here, and a wonderful morning over at Walgreens. Lots of deals. We're going to talk about a couple things right out of the gate, but most of these deals, actually all of these deals, is just rolling a bit of Walgreens cash and making the magic happen that way. Not doing any booster deals on this fine Sunday morning. And so the question you might have is, well, why? Here's the deal. We have this digital, which is 10 back when you spend 40 on store-wide, and it has to be a pickup order. For any sort of curbside or order through the website to the store, this is not working. This is ridiculous. If you have a bit of free time, call customer service and say, it's not working, and demand the $10. Depending who you get, you may or may not get it, but it is not working. And I tried like 10 different baskets at like the crack of crow, and nothing's working with it. Now, this guy does not start until the 5th, which is Tuesday, and it's going right till Saturday the 9th. So we can't use this digital booster until that date when it's activated. I like to stack it with a paper booster because this is an extreme couponing channel. We're not out in the store hanging out and chatting with staff and doing whatever. We're there to get some crazy deals happening. To stack it with this paper booster, and the paper boosters were printing, so $40 basket, I'm going to get a whole bunch back. So I'm going to wait until Tuesday to make the magic happen. So that's why today's deals are a little bit different. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me. And if you watch my channel, but if you're not subscribed, if you could be so kind and subscribe, I would be so grateful. You would make my weekend. It's completely free to do, and the more of you that are subscribed, it really helps out my channel. So like and subscribe. I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is with these Oral-B. It has to be the Vivid toothbrushes for $3 a pop. I'm just showing you these toothbrushes for dramatical purposes because guess what? My store was completely cleared out of Vivid. Maybe that was me last week. I don't know. But as you can see, they're tagged $3 reward when you buy 2, valid right until Saturday the 9th. You got to do this deal in store because it's dealing with a register reward, just to note that. We have this digital coupon that cropped up this morning, which is a 3 off a 2. So definitely load this digital coupon. And here's the math for this one. 2 of the Oral-B Vivid at $3 a pop is $6. So 3 times 2. Subtracting that digital coupon, pay the $3 or roll $3 in Walgreens cash and get back a $3 register reward, making this free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. I didn't have any boosters to use this morning, so I certainly didn't do that. But, it's just some free toothbrushes, and that's what we're all about on this channel whenever you can get free dental care. Okay, the next deal we're going to look at is with the Tresemme. Now, we have ones for $7, and then we have the 2 for $12, but they're tagged really goofy at the store. So the 7 ones are like, you're going to get a reward when you buy 2. But the other ones, it's not tagged. However, in the ad, it says either the $7 or the $6 products are triggering that register reward. So I grabbed these 2, the Silky of Smooth. And then I loaded this digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a 4 off a 2. So looking at the math for this guy, 2 of those Tresemmes for $12, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8, get back a $5 register reward, making it 3 for the 2 or $1.50 per Tresemme. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. So how great is that? $1.50 Tresemme, I'll take that all day, every day, and 3 times on. Hey, it is Sunday. And I love their conditioner, especially if you do like a hair mask with that. Oh my gosh, your hair is set for the week. It's just, I love this conditioner. And then just to show you the register reward, because this was one I really wanted to test. I'm like, is this going to work? It's not tagged. What do I do? But there's your $5 register reward. So at the very least, the $1.50 Tresemme is a deal I would absolutely do. Now, another deal, this one I'm going to do when the digital boosters are working. We have the $6 Head & Shoulders. So it is the much smaller bottle, but if you have psoriasis or really bad dandruff scalp, itchy scalp, definitely stock up time. $6 a pop, and when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward, valid till Saturday the 9th. We have this digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a 3 off of 2, and yes, it is attaching to those products. So I grabbed 2, and I got the 2-in-1 Head & Shoulders. So 2 of them is $12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2, or $2.50 per Head and Shoulders. Excellent price point for Head and Shoulders because they do not give that one away usually. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. The register reward should print for you. As this is a deal of the week, if other deals of the week are kicking back that $4 register reward, you would have to do Head and Shoulders in a separate transaction because the $4 store register reward, that is the deal of the week, will only print once per transaction, even though you're grabbing a different product, just to note that. Okay, so now we're looking at these cute little Dawn dish soaps for $1.24. I absolutely love this deal because, I mean, who doesn't like to get cheap Dawn dish soap? Okay, so now I have 2 little cuties, and just say you wanted to do this deal twice, like you wanted to get 4 of them. You'd have to do it 2 separate transactions because that dollar register reward will only print for you once per transaction. So throwing 2 of these into a transaction, that's $2.48. You're getting back your dollar register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2, or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. Roll that Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. And here's our little best friend that printed out this morning. I'm so delighted that he printed, and yep, it's a rock and roll kind of deal. And my 9 back when you spend 40 basket booster also printed when I was rolling these around just to see what would print, what wouldn't. So there it is. Now this next deal I'm going to have to test out on Tuesday because I really need a booster to go with this. So the Gillette and Venus are BOGO 50% off, $8 Walgreens cash reward. I think it's a register reward. They worded that one differently or weirdly. We have $3 digitals for both, but I think this really needs to be put in a $25 basket or something like that. That lavender one, go for the one that's $13.99 because I have a theory, that light blue one on the left-hand side. And we have this $3 digital that is attaching to said product. So 1 of each is $20.48 on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting 2 $3 digitals, you're going to pay $14.48. Get back an $8 register reward. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're using no booster. However, I want to use a booster to see if an extra 5 back when you spend 20 will print, along with this sort of a deal because the basket is so large. I want it in a spend 25, get back 6, or a little bit of frosting for this gal. So I'm going to wait till Tuesday, test this one out, and report back with my findings. Okay, so just to show you one basket that I did do that I think is quite smart. Maybe that's just me thinking I'm smart. 2 of the Tresemmés for $6, and then $2.48 of the Dawn dish soap. So I loaded my best friend, which is a 4 off a 2 digital coupon that showed up this morning. And just to show you this, the 2 Tresemmés and the 2 Dawns for $2.48, my 1 4 off 2 digital coming off, so $10.48. What I did was I rolled $10 of Walgreens cash, and then I got back $6 in register rewards. So I'm happy with that. And here it is for the Tresemmé and then the Dawn below. So for the 4 items, it's 4 for $4 or $1 per. I'm okay with that. And then this guy printed out, so it's rock and roll time starting on Tuesday with this tremendous booster. $4.99 Viva or Cottonelle. This is a stock-up price and a much fancier paper product. I know a lot of you lean towards fancy. I would use either $10 or $20 in Walgreens cash and make it happen. And then the 4 for $9, the P&G products. I was looking for some dryer sheets and there were none to be found, but it still shakes out to a very reasonable deal. I would add an extra $1 of merchandise and use $10 in Walgreens cash and call that, a steal of a deal, especially if you're a newer couponer that wants to stock up. Very smart. $2.79 for these complete home freezer sandwich. Back to school, you need these sort of bags. So with the $2.79 on a buy 1 get 2 for free, it's 93 cents per, cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And then for the lady who mentioned it this morning, she's like, those 4 packs of the Walgreens toilet paper is not $1.99, it's $7.99 or whatever she was saying. If you look below on the sales tag, it says till September the 30th. So this is a month-long deal on these 4-packs that many of us say it's very similar to Charmin. So I saw on the website it's the same price as well as in-store, $1.99. And for the Snickers and Reese's, I believe this is a snack size or a fun size. This is happening right till the 23rd of September for $1.99 for these little packs. So an excellent little filler item for you guys. The final question I'm going to answer before I skedaddle. Right now, summer is, I think like some stores, like 25, 30%. Some stores are 60. If I'd have to predict, I think that items are really going to start clearing either on Tuesday, September the 5th or the 12th. So either Tuesday, and I believe it's probably going to hit 80. Then they're going to pack it up and sell it to a auction house. Like this is an example of stuff at 60, these balloons. So just get a Sterilite tote, pack it up for next year. But it's just absolutely tremendous when we can get this stuff at 80% off. So I'm guessing either this coming Tuesday or the Tuesday following. Follow social media, including my community tab. When I get word that it's 80, I will let you guys all know. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.